this episode, we get settled in the Alanya Marina, start finding our way around Turkey, and get straight into fixing things on our sailing catamaran. We have now safely made it to the Alanya Marina in Turkey. Last time you saw our crossing from Cyprus to Turkey. Now we are slowly getting settled in and finding our way around. Remember how we said last time, after getting some days of good rest, the first thing we would do was give the boat a good clean? Lily's checking out the high pressure washer. Getting it ready, Lily? Well, we made it to the Alanya Marina. One job is done this morning, doing the boat with the high pressure washer. And that was okay. Did need 2 adult hands basically to get the job done. So we didn't have a third one to film the operation. But anyway, the boat is now so wide that you can't even look at it without sunglasses. So that's pretty nice. And now we're off to buy a folding bike. Plus, earlier we just ordered a e-scooter. Those are the 2 things we had in mind to get around, and we just thought now we'll just get one of each. So e-scooter is ordered. Let's go and find a folding bike. Downtown Alanya. Good, we made it to the shop. Lots of folding bikes here, so time to start choosing one. What do you think? Yes or no? And so we drove home in the taxi with a new folding bike that even Josja can use with the saddle all the way down. But of course we had to stop by this playground to check out all the rides with Josja and Lily. Leuk?
Dat ding bedoelde ik daar. Maar die is enger, zei mama.
Hij zit in! Hij rond en rond!
Ik ga dat niet doen. Nee, dit
Lily! Wow, mama! And so we arrived with our new bicycle back home in the marina in the dark.
Daarom voel je mijn voet.
Today we're trying some delicious Turkish snacks. I've had these before, but they had some kind of filling. And these, I thought they were so super cheap. Like I had to get them, but maybe because there's no filling. Still, we add some honey. It's nice. I like it. Rasha? I like it. But without the filling it's a bit bland and there's no taste. No idea what you'd call these. Yeah, fixing the AC IPS fault, hopefully. Having lived in Qatar for 12 years, high temperature and humidity are no stranger to us. So we are really thankful to have air conditioning on the boat. But when that stopped working, it was time for me to dive into the marina water and clear the water intakes that provide the cooling flow for the AC units. Just been swimming to fix this and I see this thing floating by. Please tell me it's not a turd. There. What do you think it is? To be honest, I think it's a stick. What do you think, Lily?
A draw.
Drol? Poepie?
Yes.
Drol. Drol in Dutch. Yeah. Anyways, you see the water running, means the AC is pumping and it's cooling. So that's the main thing. We do whatever it takes, right? Get the AC working for the girls. Okay. Here we go. Next time we go on our first road trip in Turkey. The scenery we found was truly spectacular and we can't wait to share it. See you in our next episode.